Ever wished you could shout out your favorite Medium collaborators or authors whose work has inspired you? Today, we're diving deep into how to do just that by tagging people on Medium, turning your articles into a more interactive and connected experience. Let's get started. First, open the Medium story you're writing or editing. You'll be working within the story editor, the familiar space where you craft your content. Now, find the precise spot in your text where you want to mention someone. This could be when you're referencing their work, thanking them for a contribution, or simply recommending their profile. Here's the magic key: type the @ symbol. As soon as you do, Medium's tagging feature will spring to life. A drop-down list will pop up, showing potential Medium users based on what you've typed after the @. Start typing the name or username of the person you want to tag. As you type, the list will refine, making it easier to pinpoint the exact person you're looking for. Once you see the correct profile in the list, click on it or use your arrow keys and press enter to select them. See that? The username is now transformed into a clickable blue link directly within your story. This means anyone reading your article can easily click that link to visit their profile. And the best part, the person you've tagged will receive a notification letting them know they've been mentioned in your story. Why do this? Tagging is a powerful tool for collaboration, allowing you to give credit and easily connect with fellow writers. It also boosts engagement by drawing attention from the tagged individuals and their followers, potentially expanding your reach within the vibrant Medium community. So go ahead, tag with purpose, and let's build a more connected and collaborative Medium experience together.